So I want to show you a quick example. Here's a model with some parameter information in Revit. How we can connect this parameters from Revit to Google Spreadsheets through Dynamo and then read that information back into the model and really leverage the power of spreadsheets. So first thing we're going to do when we open up Dynamo is go to Raindrops, Google Sheet Connect, and we want to set up a Google Service node. So that's going to give us access to our Google Drive, the spreadsheets on there. So then we want to find spreadsheets, and that's going to allow us to search through and find the one we want and list the title of the spreadsheet so we see what we're working with here. And then Open Spreadsheet will allow us to automatically open the spreadsheet we found in our default web browser. So we connect all of those up, and we add a watch node so we can, when we run this, we can see the full list. And we're going to add an empty string to the title input so that at first we're getting a complete list of spreadsheets on our Google Drive. And then false for exact first there. So then if we hit run, we should see the full list. Alright, so then we want to maybe pick out a keyword for the one we want to work with. And so now if we had floral, and okay, we hit run, now we should just isolate that one spreadsheet we want to work with. And if we connect that to the Open Spreadsheet node and hit run, it'll take us straight to that spreadsheet on Google Drive. So now we can do all kinds of nifty things in a spreadsheet that we can't normally do in a Revit schedule. So here we go. I'm just populating some values in the spreadsheet. Pretty simple example. And now we're going to set up a workflow to read that information back through Dynamo into the Revit model. So if I go to read sheet, I want to connect the service to the service input and the spreadsheet there. And then last thing is the sheet number. I just want to add a 1 to indicate the first sheet in the spreadsheet we want to read from. And so now if I connect that to watch node, I should see a list of lists. So each sub-list is a row in the spreadsheet. Pretty straightforward. So we've got all the information now coming from Google Spreadsheets. So now if we connect that to a workflow I set up before and hit run, we should see an update to the model directly from Google Drive. So there you go. Obviously this can be all kinds of information, room schedules, whatever else you can link to Google Spreadsheets. Have fun.